Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a click-to-download image in Squarespace, step by step. This is a super handy feature if you want visitors to your website to be able to download images, PDFs, videos, or other files just by clicking an image. So let's jump right into it. Step 1, open your website editor. Here I am in my Squarespace dashboard. Let's head over to the website editor by clicking Edit Site and then Edit. Now, I want to add a new section where we'll place our clickable image. So I'll click Add Section and create one right here. Step 2, add an image block. Next, we need to add an image block. This will be the image that people click on to download your file. To do that, click Add Block and select Image. Now let's upload our image by clicking the plus button. Then, Upload File. You can either upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your image library if you've already uploaded it before. I already have mine ready, so I'll select it and click Add. Perfect. Now my image is on the page. Let's resize it a little so it looks clean and professional. Step 3, link the image to a downloadable file. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the image, then click Link. From the options, choose File. Now you can upload the specific file you want your visitors to download. It could be an image, a video, a PDF, or even a Word document. If you've already uploaded the file before, just select it from your list. Otherwise, click Upload File and pick the file from your computer. Step 4, test the download link. Once you've added your file, click Save and exit the editor. Now, when someone clicks that image on your site, it'll open the file in a new tab or download it automatically, depending on the file type. For example, if it's a video file, a PDF, or a document, it'll usually start downloading automatically. If it's just an image, it'll open in a new tab, and users can right-click and choose Save As to download it. Step 5, try a different file type, optional. Let's try one more example. I'll go back into edit mode, remove the current link, and upload a video file this time. Once it finishes uploading, I'll hit save again. Now when I click the image, boom, the video file starts downloading right away. Step 6, wrap up. And that's it. That's how you add a click-to-download image in Squarespace. Quick, easy, and super useful. You can use this trick to share free resources, downloadable guides, videos, or templates directly from your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.